Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we will see how to use Facebook Messenger without Messenger app. If you have Messenger app installed on your device, do uninstall it now. Let's open Facebook. And on the top right corner, you will see something like the Messenger icon next to the search button. Just click on the Messenger icon and you can chat with your friends simply by doing this. On the top, it will show you some notification to either get Messenger or not. You can just cross it out and send messages to your friend. Well, that's it guys. That is how you use Facebook Messenger without the Messenger app. Hope you liked this video. For more content like this, do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.